Imagine a world where every device is connected through the same interface and had double the transfer rates. Display monitors, external hard drives, keyboards, mice, headsets, any form of internet connection, all connected under a common connection form factor. Sure, we may have USB as our standard to connecting peripherals, but what about audio and display? Okay, fine. All of these can be connected via USB with their respective adapters. But my point still stands where you can't directly connect a huge portion of your devices to your computer via USB. At our current stage, it is safe to assume that we have a long way to go before we arrive at that utopia. However, Intel has definitely taken a step in the right direction towards that utopia, with Thunderbolt 4. Welcome back everyone to another video. Today we will be talking about what Thunderbolt 4 is and what are its differences compared to Thunderbolt 3. Before we begin, I would like to remind all of you viewers to subscribe and hit the bell notification icon to stay updated on future videos. It helps us make more videos like this on the channel and it's not hard. It's only a click away. Do it. In 2011, Intel and Apple introduced a new cable connection interface called the Thunderbolt. This new technology is primarily targeted towards laptop users, with its main features being high bandwidth ports and cables that provide quality connection. With its high bandwidth, a Thunderbolt port can power devices, transfer data, or transfer video signal, providing flexibility for its users. Afterwards, Intel will continue to maintain that technology for the next decade. In December of 2015, Intel released the Thunderbolt 3 technology. This version of Thunderbolt can deliver 15 to 100 watts of charging power in it, has a maximum throughput of 40 Gbps, and is also able to support 10 Gbps networking. Besides just being the embodiment of speed itself, that bandwidth allows a single Thunderbolt connection to daisy chain up to 6 devices of different connection standards simultaneously. These standards include previous Thunderbolts, USB, DisplayPort, and even PCIe. Entering July 2020, Intel had just released a Thunderbolt 4 technology. Everything great we mentioned about Thunderbolt 3 earlier are present in Thunderbolt 4. Thunderbolt 4 may only support up to 5 devices daisy chained, but everything else is pretty much an upgrade compared to its predecessor. One of its main differences with Thunderbolt 3 is that it supports sending a video signal to 2 4K displays or 1 8K display. So, a plus one for any users out there who likes having a dual monitor setup for their laptops. Another feature present in Thunderbolt 4 is the ability to wake your computer from sleep with your peripherals connected via Thunderbolt. A nifty little feature for all of you out there that values convenience. Thunderbolt 4 can also support a minimum data rate of 32 Gbps for PCIe connections, compared to the measly 16 Gbps its predecessor has to offer, so we can expect more performance out of devices that rely on set connections in Thunderbolt 4. Now, all these speed increase sounds amazing, but keep in mind that unless you're using a Thunderbolt cable instead of a USB-C cable, the speed will be severely throttled by the USB-C's technology. In order to fully utilize the potential of Thunderbolt 4, we recommend getting a dedicated Thunderbolt cable. You can tell these apart from the standard USB-C cables from the Thunderbolt logo printed on each end of the cable. Moving on, previous Thunderbolt docks only managed to support up to 2 extra ports. With Thunderbolt 4, however, that number is increased to 4, allowing you to plug more Thunderbolt devices into your extension dock. Its dedicated Thunderbolt cable can go up to 2 meters in length, up from the 0.5 meters of Thunderbolt 3 cables. Bottom line is, most high-end laptops nowadays should ship with one or more Thunderbolt ports. However, whether or not you should let Thunderbolt ports be the deciding factor of buying a laptop all comes down to whether or not you plan to use the Thunderbolt technology for the benefits mentioned earlier. If you don't plan to connect high-end displays, external SSDs, or external GPUs to your laptop, then I'd say you won't be missing out on much if you were to purchase a laptop without a Thunderbolt port. As for PC users, there's no need to feel left out, as Asus released a new motherboard that comes equipped with Thunderbolt 4 ports. While most of the benefits of a Thunderbolt port applies to laptop users, Asus says that the release of their Thunderbolt 4 equipped motherboards marks the beginning of the future, where Thunderbolt technology becomes widely implemented. Who knows? This technology might just make standard USB interfaces obsolete. Thank you guys for watching this episode of Built Digital. If you felt like you've learned something today, hit that like button. If you want to see more videos like this in the future, be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell notification to stay alerted to our future videos. That's it. Goodbye.